Good morning everyone. My name is Deepak Kumar Pandian. I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Aeronautical Engineering, and also I welcome everyone for Nehru Institute of Engineering and Technology. Here we are going to see about the jacking procedure of an aircraft. First of all, we are going to learn how to jack an aircraft, and then what is the necessity of jacking the aircraft. So what is the necessity of jacking aircraft? Jacking will be implemented or will be proceeded on the time of maintenance. Once the aircraft is going for maintenance or any other maintenance work, aircraft will be lifted from the ground with the help of screw jacks. Manually screw jacks, and then when you go for hydraulically or powered, it will be used with hydraulic jacks. There are various types of jacks or screw pads will be used, that is will be named as tripod jack, bipod jack, bottle jack, and then screw jack. Basically, we use manually with screw jack and then hydraulically with bottle jack. Okay, we have a manual for every aircraft. The specific manuals will be prepared by the manufacturer. So every aircraft will have the jacking points. Okay, it will be mentioned in the aircraft. So we have to find the jack points first, and then we have to place the jacks, and then we have to raise the aircraft simultaneously with all the jacks. So the required manpower will be 3, and then required equipments of pads will be 2 with 1 stress model. This is Cessna 150 model, which is used for training purpose and then for agricultural purpose. So this aircraft will have the jack points on its wings positions and then on the tail position. Here we can use 3 jack points. We can use 2 jacks, and then 1 truss will be supported the tail section to maintain the height. Okay, so the jacks will be placed before jacking. We have to ensure all the control surfaces are locked, brakes are released, and then we have to ensure the ground lockings of hydraulic systems or screw jacks pins are being locked, ground pins are being locked, and then we have to remove the moorings, and then we have to ensure the brakes and then landing gear ground supports are being locks are being fixed. Okay, before jacking we have to ensure all these things. After that we have to place 2 people on the 2 screw jacks. If we are placing screw jacks, we have to apply or appoint 2 people on a jacking positions, and then 1 person in the tail section, and then 1 person in the monitoring sections. Okay, all 3 jacks will be simultaneously, equally it should be raised. Okay, equally it should be raised. While raising the aircraft, we have to ensure no other obstacles are disturbing the aircraft, and also we have to ensure while going for a jacking, we have to ensure the safety precaution. Fire extinguisher should be placed on the nearby the aircraft. So this is what the procedure of jacking. Okay, so while rising the aircraft, the brakes and then everything will be locked, ground locks will be locked, and then hydraulic system pins will be checked, locks will be checked. After the checking, the aircraft will be raised. Once the maintenance works will be completed, we have to release the pressures, and then we have to take down to the ground level. Okay, we have to lower the aircraft. So while lowering also we have to maintain the certain checklist and then maintaining procedures. Okay, well we have to release the brakes, and then we have to ensure the landing gears are ready to support the aircraft before we are lowering the aircraft. Slowly we have to lower the aircraft, and then we have to ensure the landing gears are placed properly. Once the landing gears landed or touched the ground, we have to ensure the hydraulic jacks or screw jacks or whatever jacks and then truss we given a support for the aircraft are removed properly. After that we have to move the aircraft. Then we have to ensure that chocks, wheel chocks, the wheel should not move, brakes should be applied. While rising up, brakes should be released, and then while lowering down, we have to ensure the brakes are being applied and then wheel chocks are being placed. This is the procedure of jacking an aircraft. So I hope you have understand about the jacking. We see in the next experiment. Thank you.